Benefits of cooking turkey, a nutrient-rich delight for your health. Turkey, the large bird native to North America, isn't just a holiday centerpiece. It's a nutritional powerhouse that brings a host of benefits to your plate. Whether hunted in the wild or raised on farms, turkey meat is a popular protein source globally, offering an impressive nutrition profile. Let's explore the benefits that come with turkey meat. Let's start with the potential health boost you can expect to get from turkey meat. For starters, turkey isn't just a tasty protein source. It comes with potential health perks too. With 24 grams of protein in just 2 slices, it supports muscle growth and maintenance, providing structure to cells and aiding nutrient transport. Some studies even suggest that turkey could be a healthier alternative to red meat, potentially lowering the risk of colon cancer and heart disease. It doesn't stop there. There's more. Rich in B vitamins such as niacin, B6, and B12, turkey plays a crucial role in efficient energy production, amino acid formation, neurotransmitter production, DNA production, and red blood cell formation. Loaded with minerals like selenium, zinc, and phosphorus, it contributes to thyroid function, gene expression, protein synthesis, and bone health. Another key benefit is that turkey is a nutritional bounty. Turkey isn't just about flavor. It's packed with essential nutrients too. As we told you earlier, 2 hearty slices contain 117 calories, 24 grams of protein, 2 grams of fat, and no carbs. Dive deeper, and you'll find a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, including significant amounts of niacin, B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, selenium, zinc, sodium, phosphorus, choline, magnesium, and potassium. Wow! However, it's crucial to note that the nutritional content varies depending on the cut. Dark meat, found in active muscles like legs and thighs, has more fat and calories, while white meat boasts slightly more protein. If you opt for skinless cuts, you'll consume fewer calories and less fat compared to cuts with the skin on. A word of caution though. While turkey brings a plethora of benefits, caution is advised when it comes to processed turkey products. Turkey ham, sausages, and nuggets may contain excessive salt, added as a preservative or flavor enhancer. Research indicates that too much salt can increase the risk of stomach cancer and elevate blood pressure. Choosing unprocessed turkey over processed forms is recommended to minimize salt intake. Incorporating turkey into your diet. The beauty of turkey lies in its versatility. Add it to salads, curries, casseroles, soups, sandwiches, or make turkey burgers. It's a fantastic replacement for ground beef in dishes like spaghetti bolognese or cottage pie. Fresh or frozen, this meat is available year-round and can be prepared in various ways. From roasting in the oven to slow cooking in a crock pot, the options are endless. Turkey isn't just a delicious part of festive feasts, it's a year-round nutritional ally. With its high-quality protein and abundance of B vitamins, selenium, zinc, and phosphorus, turkey supports muscle growth, overall health, and well-being. However, the key lies in choosing unprocessed options to steer clear of excess salt. So, embrace the goodness of turkey in your meals and savor the health benefits it brings to your table. As we wrap up this savory exploration of turkey's wonders, why stop here? Subscribe for more insightful nuggets on health, ensuring your journey is as thrilling as unwrapping a Christmas present. Who doesn't love surprises, especially when they come with a side of turkey for thought? Subscribe now and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Your health adventure awaits.